You can do anything you put your mind to. Curses. We'll fix that later. Maybe we're not gonna screw it in. Turns out you do need all the screws. Do you wanna see something cool? Come in, come in, come in. Look, IKEA PS. Wait, let me show you around. Welcome to the IKEA PS Collection. Here's everything you need to know. Come shop with me. Is this a chair or is it a bed? Let me show you. Perfect for small spaces. You can unroll them down and come back up. Imagine this for a guest bed or even, you know, a flex space in your living room. This is great. What an iconic color too. This chair comes at $89.99 and they wanted to do something with plywood, which they totally did. It's very beautiful actually, and also very, I want to say it's almost like a brutalist design, but maybe I'm using that term wrong. Surprisingly very comfortable and really hugs your body shape. This is their folding chair at $80, and the designer wanted it to look beautiful when it's hung up on the wall as well as when it's in use. So you see they're using colors in a very creative manner. So there's red stripe on here and the blue on the bottom. So when you close it up, it's going to be light enough to hang on the wall and look beautiful as well, like artwork. I just learned that this chair took 10 years to produce. Most of the questions I'm getting and seeing online is it comfortable? Yes. 2, does it squeak? No, surprisingly, even though it's made out of plastic and a bit of foam up here. Also, they actually tested it on cats, and the designer says that it's totally fine because he owns cats and owns this chair. So now you know. Out of everything, I think I'm gonna take this one home. I love this piece. Such a great color, and I love the aesthetics of it. This is another iconic piece that comes in 3 colors, so bold. What's really cool is that you can turn all these joints so that you can make this lighting point in the direction you need the light to go. So this is up lighting, spot lighting, and this a reading lamp. How cool is that? I think my favorite color might be this lime green though. I'm kind of surprised at the price at $59.99. Not a bad price for surely a collectible IKEA piece. This lamp is USB, and it's a touch sensor. I think it has several settings. Ooh, the brightest, and dimmer, and off. And it comes in 3 different colors. This entire collection is meant to be very playful, so another iconic piece here. Like a submarine, or even in a playground where you see those like things in the ground where you talk to each other. And also a cool feature, it's actually a silent clock, so there's no tick-tocking. It's $59.99. It's an architectural piece and it's also a clock. Did you know these vases are hand blown? So everyone is technically unique, packaged like this, perfect as a gift, but also as a sculpture. Look, it looks like it has little ears. Their entire collection is meant to be playful, but also beautiful and functional at a great price point. All right, this mirror is meant to be standing on its own, but also you can take it up from the back and hang it like a piece of artwork. Even the back of it looks so pretty. This is so pretty. What does this remind you of? A wedding cake, because the designer actually wanted to take inspiration from a wedding cake and layer it for this trolley that's actually on wheels. He discovered that trolleys were typically in a square or rectangular shape and wanted to do something circular so that you can access everything and not just at the corners of the trolley. So everything is meant to be accessible in a 360 manner, and a nice cool detail, their wheels are actually the same color blue, and it's actually so pretty. I love this color. I don't know what, maybe powder blue or Bridgerton blue. I don't know how to describe it, but I really like the shade. Welcome to the nightstand inspired by a birdhouse. Look at this little hole. It also acts like a handle, and you have a little bit of storage. Also made with untreated pine. I think this will look really sweet in like a playhouse or even next to your kid's bed. really cute. All right, this one's really cool. I don't know if it's inspired by a bird, but it looks like a bird, which makes sense if this is a birdhouse. But what this does, it adjusts up and down and looks like a puzzle piece, or even for woodworking. I think this is a really cool detail. This is the IKEA PS cabinet. Untreated wood, so it will age with you in your surroundings. This is inspired by a ship, so you see the woven nature of this pine. So beautiful, $4.99. This bench rocks, literally and figuratively. Also, untreated pine, very iconic of IKEA. Look what I got my hands on. Woo. Pump. Cool. Okay, I like this collection already because there are only 8 screws and an Allen key. Plus, I've never seen furniture come with a pump before, so I'm kind of excited to see how that works out. These are surprisingly light. I can see why they're saying it's under 10 pounds. Let's see if I can carry it at the end. Time for assembly. Wait, which side is which? Assembling the pump. This one's first. Okay, we have the 2 handles, or this is the back, I think. I'm confused already. Oh, they're telling me to do it on a table. That makes so much more sense. Should I get a table? Okay, let me just try. We never know until we try, right?
A few moments later.
Guys, look at the instructions, do it on a table. It will make your life easier, but... That was step 1. Oh no. Oh, yeah. You can do anything you put your mind to. Nobody watched this as a tutorial. Curses. We'll fix that later. Yeah. Well, now one side is in and the other side is not. Maybe we're not gonna screw it in. Like, if you come look at it, you'll see what I mean. That's pretty cool. Look, there's a hole. It's like a...
Well, Mama picked the berries and she put it in the wine. To everybody gonna have a real good time. We all on the back porch getting real hot. Pass around the bottle of your mama's whisper down. Can't you smell what old Bear's cooking? Them collard greens are so good looking.
Like, what do you... Maybe we're not gonna screw it in. Remember how we were like, we didn't need the screw. Turns out you do need all the screws. Okay, let's do this again.
One eternity later.
We did it with a few squeaks. But I actually really quite like it. The chrome parts, solid. Read the instructions, because if you don't, you'll be like me. You do, in fact, need all 7 or 8 screws that it was. But very innovative, which we always love in IKEA products. It's so fun. We know IKEA needs to be assembled by ourselves. We know that they want flat packs. So the fact that they did something like a blow up, although they don't call it that, furniture makes total sense in the evolution. I feel like it's a very fun collection. And like you saw in the showroom, we've been looking forward to it since 2017, since the last PS drop. You know every single piece is going to be a collectible in the future. So if you are an IKEA lover or you want IKEA vintage pieces in the future, now's the time to buy one. Because in 25 years, or even in 10, I can guarantee these are going to be upsold on Facebook Marketplace. I know because I accidentally put one on Facebook Marketplace, the Jank Flop or something like that, got a ton of offers on it, and then I knew it was an iconic piece. And this has the makings of an iconic collection by IKEA. Thank you so much for hanging out with me, for assembling the pieces. What pieces are you planning on purchasing from this collection? Because some of them, like that lamp that points in all different directions, looks really cool, and it's been very popular on social media as well. So let me know if this is your cup of tea, or are you gonna pass on this collection? Make sure you hit that subscribe button and let me know what you wanna see next. We love doing IKEA runs all the time here, so if this is your type of content, make sure you follow along and check out our older videos of all the IKEA finds that we did for spring. There's some really good pieces there as well, and we'll see you in the next video.